I decided I'm tired of using AA batteries in my Spektrum DX4S. So I took a look at Spektrum's website and saw that they had Lipo battery for it that is made for it, but it is 50 or 60 bucks, which to me is just way too much money. So what I did is I got on eBay and I bought two of these, I don't know how to pronounce that, those 1000 milliamp hour 2-cell batteries. They're very small. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these in instead, so I'll show you how you do that. There's two screws in the bottom of the remote, one of which was hidden by a sticker, and that's the one I'm unscrewing right now. There was a sticker over that. So you pop those out, then you can carefully work this tray out. It's kind of a hassle to get out. There it goes. And there's a connection. And of course, some weird connector that I don't have. Don't know where to get, don't care. We'll see if they fit. Okay, it does fit. It's a tight fit. What I'll do is I'll cut some of that shrink wrap off and it'll be fine. So this has got a JST on it, which I want to keep because they're more common. And what I'll do is I'm going to cut this in half. I'll cut that halfway off. That way if I ever want to reuse this, I can solder it back on and hook a JST to it. Okay, that turned out pretty nice. Now these batteries, I'm going to call them Fluorions. I got two of these shipped to my door from eBay, two of them, for $12.99. Now they're only 1000 milliamp hour. If you look at the ones from Spektrum, they're 2000, but to me the extra capacity isn't worth that kind of money. So there you can see that's going to plug in to the stock connection. Put our battery up like that, and carefully tuck this guy in here. Just go come in this way. Okay. Perfect. These wires will twist like so. That's actually locked in there. That battery's a perfect fit. I measured it before I bought. Well, I took the measurements that they give you on eBay. They told me what the dimensions were. Let's see if it works. Excellent. What we want to do then is go to System. I think it's in System. Yeah. Alerts, I believe, and we're going to change the battery type to Lipo, and 6.4 volts, that'll be 3.2 volts per pack. I'm going to go 3.3 volts is what I like to choose. I hope all that was on camera. So you have it.